Mama Wiggles, Barbara Tappern Productions presents Adding Unlike Fractions. Today, we're going to add this unlike fraction. And we know it's unlike fraction because the value of the denominators are different. 1/3 plus 1/2. The denominators are different numbers. So, when the denominators are different numbers, we must find the LCM, the lowest common multiple of the denominators. We find the LCM by counting by 2's and 3's. So let's count by 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's count by 3's. 3, 6, 9. I see a number that they have in common. Do you see the number they have in common? That's right, 6. So, the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So now, this 6 becomes the LCD, the lowest common denominator. Now that we found the LCD, now we're going to find the equivalent fraction of 1/3 and 1/2 with the denominator as a 6. Let's look at the 1/3 and use one of my favorite tools called fraction cubes. And because we found the LCD to be a 6, we're going to use 1/6 and try to make it look like 1/3. So here's 1/6. And if we add another 1/6, wow, look, 1, 2, 6 is equivalent to 1/3. So now we're going to replace the 1/3 at the top to 6. Just found the equivalent fraction of 1/3, which is 2/6. So now let's find the equivalent fraction of 1/2. We found the LCD to be 6. So our denominator must have a 6. And now we're going to find the equivalent fraction of 1/2 with using 1/6. So let's see how many 1/6 we will need to be equivalent to 1/2. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. And I think we found the equivalent fraction of 1/2, which is 3/6. So now we're going to replace the 1/2 to 3/6. Now we have like fractions. And we're almost there. So now all we have to do is add 2/6 plus 3/6, which is 5/6. And guess what? We're done. If you enjoyed today's little math tutorial, please share and subscribe to Fun with Tab, where learning can be meaningful and fun. See you next time.